Hi guys, this is Group 9. My name is Krista. This is
Woo-Jae Sung.
and this is
Chris Yao.
and our group is doing a systematic review on the efficacy of cryotherapy for musculoskeletal injuries of the ankle. We give class of 2016 consent to view this video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Is a systematic review. We have searched through research search engines such as PubMed, ProQuest, Medline, Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews, and Google Scholar to identify randomized clinical trials of cryotherapy. We have collected and synthesized all full-text articles to answer the research question. Then, the Pedro scale was used to assess for quality so that it can guide users to studies that are more likely to be valid and has a strong evidence support. Furthermore, we only use studies that include ankle injuries rather than every other injuries in the body. So some of the inclusion criteria was all articles collected must be peer-reviewed in full text and written between the years of 2004 to 2014. Only RCTs and clinical control trials will be used. Articles must be written in English, providing description of the efficacy of cryotherapy following on ankle musculoskeletal injury. Some of the exclusion criteria was articles that include patients 16 years or younger. Articles include patients that are 50 years of age or older. Any articles written before 2004, any pilot studies, and any articles that present data that could possibly identify subjects.
And weaknesses that we came across while developing this systematic review. So one of the most important things is that we didn't require any data collection from actual human subjects. In addition, we didn't have to use much money on travel or tools because we communicated via cell phones. And one of the main tools we used were the internet and a copy machine. In addition, doing a systematic review allowed us the ability to continue being efficient with our coursework, which we need to be. Also, we did not have to complete an IRB, which other research groups needed to because they were dealing with actual human subjects. We did need to do an exemption report, but that was pretty short, so that was the good thing about it. In addition, we were able to get access to many articles via the internet, bunch of different articles. However, on the weaker side, there were some articles that we couldn't get for free, so we had to request the librarian to get them for us. Another weakness was Pedro scales. It's a very lengthy process, but it's important for systematic reviews. And reading these articles was very time consuming because we needed to read the articles for the assessment of the Pedro scale, actual scaling, to answer each question on the Pedro scale and get the actual area where the answers were found. And the last thing was that due to our strict inclusion and exclusion criteria, we were unable to use many articles. So we were very limited in terms of articles we were able to use. So that was mainly all the weaknesses we had, and I think the strengths of doing a systematic review outweighs the weaknesses.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk about the opportunities and threats we may encounter during our research project. So some opportunities include possibly publishing our article in a journal. This will get our names out into the PT community and result in professional development. As cryotherapy is widely used in PT, this will help with communication of knowledge with other providers. And us as group members will get experience not only working together as a team, but also getting experience in utilizing other peers' recommendations and knowledge. So some threats that we may encounter include time. So obviously we all have school, we have our clinical affiliations, and we have our homework and assignments. So this will limit our time to actually work on the research. Another threat could include scheduling conflicts among the group members and with the advisors as well. So all 3 members of the group live a fair distance from the school, so meeting can be difficult at times. Another threat could be low Pedro scale scores for articles that won't allow us to use every article we found. And also many articles aren't free, so limited budget, and each article is also expensive. Thank you.
So thank you guys for watching this brief video presentation on our research project. Hope you enjoyed the video clip, and that's all, folks. Bye.
Bye.